guys, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, if you haven't watched the original video first, please, panoorin nyo muna yung original video first, ha? Bago ito, okay? Okay, so ayan. Meron naman tayo bagong pinapanood na video, but like, eto ay sumikat, no? May mga reels naman siya. So, I find it interesting. Sabi ko, nung napanood ko siya, it reminisces me the moments nung childhood. Actually, part siya ng childhood since, yun nga, nung panahon ng MLG, nagagamit siyang meme. So, if you guys know Super Hot Fire, no? Siya yung parang nagsabi ng I'm not a rapper. Tapos biglang, like nabalo yung mga tao. So, yeah. Ang i-react natin is UK versus USA rap battle, no? Actually, ang humawak nito is si Deji, which is, hindi naman siya yung usually humahawak nito. But like, trinay niya, si Deji. Ayan. Super Hot Fire is from USA, and Monkwe, alam ko is parang vlogger din ata, or vlogger, I don't know, tong si, I forgot his name, Monkwe, ayan, taga-UK. So, ayun na, wala na paligoy-ligoy, panoorin natin to, guys.
Alright guys, today we have a good
So, ayun, on natin yung captions para like, mas malinaw natin maintindihan.
one. We have UK versus US. On my left, we have UK's finest.
Yun lang sinabi. On my left, we have UK finest. Puta, nag-react agad. Wala pong binabanggit ng pangalan eh.
We have UK
Try natin mag-English, no? Like, kung ano yung kaya nating English.
best. We have Monkwe. Grabe yung... Damn, that aura, man. On my right, maybe you know him, maybe you don't. Who's that?
Who's that? I like the hype man's reaction, man. Like, it's literally Super Hot Fire against the world. It's like he's the main character, and now he's getting cooked.
We have Super Hot Fire.
Who the fuck is the real Super Hot Fire in this one? Why is this man getting the spotlight?
USA! Stop playing with me. We up here. Alright, let's get to this coin toss. Is that a car wash token? Whoa. That's a Chuck E. Cheese coin. That ain't USD.
Cheese corn.
We use USD.
We use USD since you guys, they have different currency. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang audience ko dito, no? Pwede ako mag-Taglish. Sige, Taglish na lang.
No, we ain't using this. No.
Oh my god! Damn! What the fuck? Ang daming props ang putang ina. Ang random nung pop-up. Putang, parang malupiton shit ang puto. Ano yun? Ba't nakachupon yung isa? Chupon pala yun, gago.
Monkwe! Heads or tails?
Ayun lang.
Tails. Monkwe goes first.
So ano no, iba yung way ng iba yung way ng ano nila, ng toss coin. So parang toss coin pero hidden, tago siya, tas hulaan mo na lang kung ano, kung sinong heads or tails, ganun.
Tails. Monkwe goes first. You know?
I traveled all the way from the UK to kill you in California.
So sa California pala to ginanap, no?
Super Hot Fire. How does it feel that you're about to take this L, eh?
Fuck, ano meaning nung A? L, A, ganon? L, no? Talo pagkatalo. So, LA, Los Angeles, California. How does it feel that you're about to take this L?
About to take this L, eh?
So, dito nga yan, no? Motus. Tangin ng crowd reaction yan.
My granny got a hat like that.
After this, I'm going to go to Florida.
Why, my granny?
I want to see Mickey Mouse.
Random.
Super Hot Fire. Talk shit today. And watch Disneyland in your face.
Disneyland, no? Disney, tuhod, maglaland sa mukha mo. Watch Disneyland on your face.
Disneyland in your face.
Ang inang crowd yan. Nakaka-drain ang bota. Wala
Listen,
bias, pati si Deji bias. Deji's bias in here.
I'm trying to be super hot. How? I'm already super hot. The slap that I'll give you will be super hot. You'll see the way super drops. Who is going to win this battle? Let me give you a clue. Super nice. This won't even be a tie like a super nice.
Hindi to magiging tie. So, tie na, like, pantay, tas tie na tali. Super knot. No? Super na yung knot na tali, and KNOT. Parang pretzel knot tie shit.
This won't even be a tie like a super nice.
Nakakadagdag pa yung ano, no? Bukod sa crowd reaction, yung accent niya rin kasi. Ayan na. May pagka-Afro, no? African, tas UK.
Now, that was amazing. Oh my gosh, round 2.
Round 2. Round 2 agad. Wala pang round 1, gago. Pinabasa sa Super Hot Fire.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay, super hot. Yeah. His rounds irrelevant.
His rounds irrelevant, no? Irrelevant daw yung rounds niya, kaya nakalimutan na may round pa si ano.
Super hot. Yeah. His rounds irrelevant. I'm super hot fire. I'm sweating outside.
Take off your jacket din. Gagawin sa mga sabat.
I'm sweating outside.
Take off your jacket.
9
You're
degrees.
not sweating. You're not hot. I'm super hot fire. Yeah. I got 10 fingers, 10 toes, 1 tongue, 2 socks. You ugly.
Ay, okay guys, sa mga nakakaano nito, hindi to typical rap battle na papanood nyo, no? So yun nga, super unnecessary ng mga bagay-bagay, no? Hindi siya typical rap battle na aggressive, pero ito ay katuwaan lang, satirical nga siya eh. So, ayun.
You ugly.
Pangit nung crowd nito, mas malakas yung crowd ng Yuki eh. Actually, hindi to labanan ng ng battle rap, parang labanan to ng crowd eh, pagalingan ng crowd.
I'm super hot fire. I got a pet giraffe and
Random.
a kangaroo and 2 credit cards, both past due.
Both past due.
I'm super hot fire. I take a bath in the bathroom. I take a shit in the kitchen.
Tell him. He hungry.
I live in the living room.
Damn.
You homeless.
No! Walang pangit ng crowd, tang ina. Hindi na sumabay kay Super Hot Fire.
You homeless. I'm super hot fire.
Yun nga, binabanggit niya, meron kang, nasa living room, I live in the living room, tapos ikaw wala kang bahay. Actually, nakakaano siya kung bagay intro niya. Super hot fire. Paulit-ulit na siya, no?
Oh, damn.
I'm super hot fire. Oh, call me hot fire super.
Why is that?
Oh, call me super hot fire.
Wasn't even reversed.
Either way, I ain't gonna pick up the car.
Oh, they not D&D.
I'm super hot fire.
Hindi pa rin tapos.
Son.
Tuwa.
Are you okay?
You don't look okay. Hell no, you don't look good.
You're not
Good on
okay.
your head.
Because it's USA versus UK.
He dressed like first Sunday.
And he dressed like first Sunday.
Tangina mo, may tumutulong sa crowd, maduga.
You know what's about to happen today?
Why you like that?
I'm super hot fire.
Burn.
I walk faster than he runs.
Yo, boy.
Go boy.
My favorite snack, honey bun.
My grandma eat those. I love them. My grandma eat those.
I'm hotter than the sun.
Ang pangit ng crowd.
Oh, that was it. That's it. Oh, wow. I nearly fell asleep. I nearly fell asleep.
Bias si Deji, ang puta.
Alright, but before we
Ang
start
kwenta yung host, bias.
round 2, this video is brought.
Yeah, round 1 men, Monkwe yun. Round 1, Monkwe. Tanga naman. Super hot fire was ano daw, like cook, but like round 1 pa lang talaga talo na siya eh.
Alright, but before we start round 2, this video is brought to you by Prime Hydration. Best hydration drink going. Biggest
So parang alam ko parang ngayon magtotropa yan sila nila Mr. Beast, no? So parang pinopromote niya rin yung Prime Drink yan.
in America. Sir, I need my endorsements, bro. Come on, yeah. Biggest in America. Sir, I need my endorsements, bro. Come on, yeah. Prime Hydration.
Get to the bars, man. Pag rapin mo na, wag ka na mag-promote.
Alright, round 2. On Quay. Oh, you stink.
Who are you doing?
Where's my garbage man?
Like a person who needs money.
I got it. You ain't gonna lie.
I think I should leave you alone.
A person who got pay money. I should leave you alone. Alone na mag-isa, tas alone na utang.
You ain't gonna lie.
I think I should leave you alone.
That's actually quite clever because what he did is he took the A, the
Calm
prefix.
down,
Ito, Tina. May nag-e-explain.
calm down.
Poindexter, a
Calm
genius.
down.
You ain't drunk this time, boys.
Who's he calling?
You calling him?
I'm calling my grandma, man.
Super Hot Fire is a bitch. Calm down. I just wanted to tell A4.
Telephone. Tama ba?
I'm hungry.
Hey,
No, I'm hungry.
ain't nothing new.
Tangin daming props.
Hey,
No, I'm hungry.
ain't nothing new.
Ain't nothing wrong.
You need some prime with that?
What's wrong? This soup is cold. I said this soup is cold. So heat is required.
Bro, do you want me to eat off you?
Nah. Why do you think I'm here? To give soup a hot fire.
Bakit ako nandito? Para bigyan yung soup ng mainit na apoy. Alis, to give soup a hot fire. Written. Maduga. Dapat hindi written, dapat freestyle eh. So, yun nga. So, fun fact lang, no? Kapag sinabi kasi yung freestyle, hindi siya porket freestyle is parang on the spot, no? Magkaiba yung on the spot freestyle sa freestyle lang mismo. Meron din talaga mga freestyle na parang sinulat mo dyan, then the same day, like binanggit mo or binasa mo or, you know, pinerform mo. Freestyle pa rin yun. Gago.
I'm on fire.
Pero yun nga, as we can see, written nga yung ginagawang neto ni Monkwe. Unlike dito kay Super Hot Fire, talagang freestyle lang.
I want to play a game called Disappear.
Ito na yun!
I'm going to make this disappear.
Bro, you've just put it in your pocket, man.
My brother, please calm down. Disappear. I'm looking for two fools. Disappear. That fruit is a bitch. You just saw me disappear. You said you was going to defeat me. There's something wrong with disappear.
Ko, ilan yun? 5? 4? 5 ata. Disappear na word. Disappear. Tas peras. Ano yun? Tama?
I'm looking for two fools.
Disappear. Kasi pair. Disappear. Ito pair. Pares. So, disappear. Two fools. Tas yung pang-4, that fruit is a bitch. Dinis niya yung peras. So, 4 na yun.
Disappear. That fruit is a bitch. You just saw me disappear. You said you was going to defeat me. There's something wrong with disappear.
Palima nga, gagi, quintuple entendre, hayop. This up here. So, tinutukoy niyo yung utak. Sabi mo matatalo mo ko, baka nasisiraan ka lang. May sira ka na sa utak, parang ganun. There's something wrong with this up here.
There's something wrong with disappear.
Yung crowd kasi. Nakangiti din si Supat. Gago ba, diba? Saan ito ginanap? Sports complex?
I'm super high fire.
No, wait. Yeah. Round 2. What the fuck was that? Tain ang written yan. Sulat motos daw no? Actually, may mga motos friends ako sa Facebook na sinishare nila. Tunog motos daw. Like, yun nga. Something interesting with their wordplays. Kasi rarely lang siyang marinig. At the same time, half of them was affected, but half of them was reach. Talagang hindi mo siya ginagamit on a common setting eh. So, rich siya pakinggan. Katulad nun, this up here. Diba? Disappear.
Super high fire. My crazy kitten. He bought a phone and a pair and it, homies, this is obviously written.
It's scripted. You can't freestyle.
That's a lie. I'm super high fire.
Bayan.
Stand back.
Wait, move. Yeah,
Because I'm about to shine. Let me drink some prime. Hold on. Because I'm in mine.
Because I'm in mine. I'm in my prime, ganun.
I'm super high fire. I'm blazing. I'm about action. One glove. You're not Michael Jackson.
Kasi si Michael Jackson, no, dalawa yung gloves. Ganyan din yung gloves actually. Tapos parang isa lang daw yung gloves.
You're not Michael Jackson.
Let the legend speak.
I'm super high.
Let the legends speak.
Of course you are. Of course you are.
Of course you are.
You don't wear underwear.
Nigga, free baller?
That's nasty. That's nasty.
Let's get lit on this. Disgusting.
I'm super high fire.
Nag-break ng character.
I'm super high fire. I'm in my prime. You don't wear underwear.
Never did.
And you wait in line. We're in the USA. So you probably gotta go. I'm super hot fire. You're a hoe.
I'm ready to sleep right now.
Take a nap, I'll wake you up.
Like a baby.
Go to sleep, I'll tuck you in.
Si Deji na yung pinatel.
I'm super hot fire. Not like ugly UK twins. I'm super hot fire.
Ano, willow tree ba itong nasa likod? Ang ganda ng puno.
That's all I gotta say. You came to California just to lose. That ain't cap, that's the truth.
Oh.
That ain't a cap, that's a napkin.
Origami.
Origami.
Let's go.
The second round was definitely Mongkwe, no? Tanga. 2-0 na si Mongkwe agad, man. What the fuck? He's calm as fuck. Okay, round 3 for Mongkwe. Lab lab.
Styles. You said this was rip. I heard your bars. You thought that you ate. You said I stink.
Yeah, you.
You've been wearing this leather jacket since 2008.
You said I stink. You've been wearing this leather jacket since 2008. So, hindi ko alam kung 2008 yung meme, no? But like, matagal ng panahon yung meme. So, parang ganyan din yung suot niya. Actually, hindi siya nagbabago ng suot.
This leather jacket since 2008.
Get a new jacket!
I heard it's your girlfriend's birthday.
Happy birthday, girl.
Happy birthday,
I
girl.
heard it's your girlfriend's birthday. Let me teach you something. I need you to dress smart. Look sharp. I need you to look dapper. I have a present for her. I was going to rap it, but I'm not a rapper.
Ang galing. Magka-rhyme yung, nirhyme niya yung dapper sa rapper. So, I was going to rap it, but I'm not a rapper. So, kumbaga, i-rap ko pa sana siya. Kaso, hindi naman ako taga-rap. Hindi ko kayang i-rap to. Rap na W-A-R-A-P. Tas line din yung but I'm not a rapper ni Super Hot Fire. Parang binalik sa kanya yung weapon niya na I'm not a rapper. Galing.
I was going to rap it, but I'm not a rapper. Actually, this present is for you.
You're stealing the bar.
Actually, this present is for you. This is when shit is about to get deep. They don't know that Monque's wisdom is about to peak. After this, I'm going to sleep.
Ang random.
Because as you can see, he's already accepted defeat.
Double meaning, no? Defeat. Inaccept niya na yung defeat. Inaccept niya na yung pagkatalo. Tapos binigyan niya ng paa. Gago. Ang random, no?
My
That was not funny.
True though?
No, it was not funny.
No.
Somebody gave him more money.
Oh.
That's funny. You see me? You can talk about my clothes. I don't care. What about the shoes though?
Get the socks.
I'm from the UK, but I dress like this because I represent Africa. I am from Africa. Champion from Africa. I will take your car keys without paying for it. That is Africa.
I will take your car keys without paying for it. That's a free car. Africa. That's Africa. So parang inano niya, dinala niya sa accent, no? Meron siyang K to do that.
That is Africa.
Vincent?
This guy is speaking. Talking too much. Talking and talking too much. How dare you think that you can mess with me?
How?
What, because you're standing next to him? Really, I am the G.
Talking too much. So parang in-airplay niya na naman yung Deji. Ayun, si Deji, yung host. I am the G. The gangster. I am the G. Tangina, dinadala sa akin ng duga.
Too much.
What?
Talking and talking too much. How dare you think that you can mess with me?
How?
What, because you're standing next to him? Really, I am the G.
This was UK versus USA. Yeah.
Hold on.
He's choking.
May round trip pa siya eh.
It's okay. I can do it for you. I'm super hot fire. Monk, where you staying?
So hindi na daw kaya rin, so pahat fire siya na yung siya na yung nag-rap.
I'm super hot fire. Monk, where I'm in my prime. I'm super hot fire. This is my time. One second. I'm super hot fire. This guy is a bastard. This is a bastard. This fucking is a bastard. This guy is fucking. He's a bastard. Are you mad? Yes.
Parang ano to, UK versus Super Hot Fire. Buong team eh.
USA.
I am Monkwe.
Nagpalit.
I'm from the UK.
UK.
And my raps are weak.
Yeah, my guys are weak.
I got a pair in a foot.
I got a man in the foot.
That's a pair of feet.
Pair of feet? May meaning ba yun? Pair of feet. Ah, peras. Tas pares ng paa.
I'm Monkwe. I'm Monkwe. I'm from the UK.
Tayo na ng crowd nag-react lang kung kailan ano na eh, no?
Rap.
I can't rap.
You can never know this.
You can never know this.
Because of my glasses and my stupid hat. I'm Monkwe.
My brother's super hot fire.
Hindi pa rin tapos. Ano to, may round 4?
What happened to your boy Mew? I saw the videos you did with him. That shit was cute. So guess what? I got someone that will outdo Mew.
Pipe ang puta! Pinalaban Pipe, ayop.
Mew.
Gumaliw.
I'm super hot fire! Monkwe, you are a bastard!
Look at him.
I have to take off his hat. It's making me a worse rapper!
Slant drive.
I'm super hot fire. You lost the soldier. If I lost the soldier boy, I would have broken soldier's shoulder. I would kidnap
Ang galing, galing.
your son, take him to the village, sell him, then come back to your home and tell the people that I soldier boy.
Akala ko tapos na. Puta, ano. You lost, kasi may battle si Super Hot Fire kay Soulja Boy, no? Shoulder Boy. Niram yun, ay parang inano nyo, kinanig nyo Soulja Boy sa Shoulder Boy, tapos Soulja Boy, binenta ko yung anak mo, your boy.
If I lost the soldier boy, I would have broken soldier's shoulder. I would kidnap your son, take him to the village, sell him, then come back to your home and tell the people that I soldier boy.
May AO8 effect. Visit.
I'm not done.
Gago, galit na galit. It's a draw.
I'm not finished. I'm not finished. Are you mad? I'm not finished.
Tumala lang po. Sinakbakan. Woo! Shit. Tangin ng content siya, no? Parang ano, revival siya ng meme. Nire-imagine nila yung meme. So yun lang guys, no? If you guys have watched until the end nyo. Yo, maraming salamat sa panonood, no? Panoorin nyo yung mga previous videos natin. Pwede tayo mag-react sa mga random videos. Pero mostly, ano lang tayo, rap battle talaga. Para mahaba din yung pag-usapan. Though, hindi na naman dapat i-breakdown. Pero, kailangan ko pa rin i-explain. Parang nasa dugo na yun. Hayop na yan. Gago. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, no? And subscribe tayo. Kung kaya nyo, buksan natin ang notification bell, no? Mongkwe! 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 Mongkwe!